how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Mazimoto. So I know I said that this week I was gonna for sure post on Thursday. Well, Thursday morning I woke up, did not feel good. Wednesday I went into work and had to do a bunch of stuff. So unfortunately I did not get to film a video. And since I didn't film anything, I wasn't able to edit anything. So today I've kind of figured out what I'm gonna do for this next video, and I will be posting it this week. So again, I apologize for the lack of consistency these last couple weeks, but let me show you what we're going to be working on today. So today I'm going to be taking my Ironhead to the shop. I'm going to swap out the front end, put on some shorter front forks. I also have to replace this bolt right here because this fell out a little while ago and my license plate is a little loose, so I got to fix that. I'm also going to try and see if I can lock this this down somehow because it keeps moving as I'm riding. So yeah, got a few things I'm going to try and do today. So let's go ahead and start kicking this thing. Let's see how many kicks it takes. I also have to stop at O'Reilly's to grab some stuff for Alan's bike because that's in the shop right now. So let's see how many kicks this takes. Wasn't too bad. All right, back at the shop. Ironhead's here. Unfortunately, or fortunately, the license plate was falling off. So I took that off at O'Reilly's. So let's get it on the lift. I'm gonna swap out the front end and we'll see if it's any better. So kind of sketchy, the right side tube, or the left side tube, I guess I should say. This one here was not even connected to the tube, wasn't connected to the lower. So that just came right out when I undid everything. So that's cool. I just connected it, and good thing I'm not running that front end anymore, but I am gonna throw on a shorter early front end. So let me see if I can pull that out and rebuild that one and see if it's any better. All right, so here is this early 33 taken apart. The dampeners look pretty crusty. As you can see, they came right apart. Just the smaller tubes. I'm gonna go ahead and take these apart, disassemble them completely, maybe try and clean up these lowers so they're not so crusty for the dampeners. But let's do that after I take it all apart, and we'll see if they'll hold any fluid, any fork oil. So this is a special tool. It's made for 33s. This goes in right on top there. Okay, so let's go over early 33 front ends. You have your dampener rod that goes all the way from the bottom, the lower, goes through, and basically the spring sits into it just like that, and then at the top is this piece here. There it goes. So you see how it's threaded? That screws into the top of the dampener, and then these threads screw into the tube. So this one's super crusty. I'm gonna go through and clean it and make sure all of this crust is gone before I reassemble. So let's go ahead and clean it. Alright, so I went ahead and cleaned this on the wire wheel. It looks much better. Got rid of a lot of the bullshit that was on there. It's still very pitted, but that's obviously, that's fine, I guess. Can't really get rid of too much of that. Yeah, so it looks much better. Now, how this goes together. Put the spring on the dampener. Like that. This one has a helper spring at the very top, just a tiny little helper spring. So what I do is take a pair of pliers, hold it up top like that, and then you can take this top clamp, whatever it's called, screw it into the dampener. There it is. Now we have a completed early 33 dampener rod with the spring in place. From this point, I shouldn't have done that.
You're just showing people how it comes together on the inside of it.
Yeah. So let's take it back out.
Which is nice, because I remember looking on YouTube for that.
Nobody has it on YouTube. Nobody has anything about early 33s.
Nothing.
There ain't nothing. So at this point, we're gonna take the tube, put it in there, do the same thing that we did with it out, this time with it in, screw that top piece on, there we go, and now we can screw top piece in to the tube. I'm not really explaining this that well, but whatever. You get the gist of it. It's something. It's better than nothing. I might eventually make a write-up of this. I'm just trying to rush because I have to get home soon. So my GF is waiting. There it is. That's the full tube. Now we're going to throw it into the lower. Throw the tube into the lower. The dampener comes out at the bottom there. Then you have your dampener bolt. I'm going to go ahead and get a lock washer. So that did kind of strip, but I just hit the nut and the stud with a tap and a die, and now it just went together. So we're putting it together. It's nice and tight. I got the lock nut on there, lock washer on there. So this is all together. Feels good. I might try and throw a little bit of fluid in here and see if that does anything. If it leaks out, then I'm kind of screwed, but we'll see. This is what it's looking like. Dang, that stance is so much better in my opinion. Kind of went from like 6 overs to 2 inches over. This was kind of a crazy video because I had to quickly do this because today is my girlfriend's day that we're hanging out. So I have not been able to put my license plate on, so I guess I'll do that next week, or on Sunday. I'll probably ride this thing back here. But yeah, I like it. It looks good. So depending on how this video is after I edit it, I might post it, I might not. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. But either way, I hope you enjoyed this. I try to talk about a little bit about what early 33.4s look like when you open them up and how to put them all back together. As you can see, this is a later style 33 compared to the early style. If you guys have any more questions, just ask away in the comments below. And again, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content because we're going to be making a whole lot more content. This was a quick day. So again, see you in the next video. Hopefully this next video I'll actually post on Thursday. Thanks again. See you guys next week. I am very happy with that. It works much better and it looks better. I think maybe going down to stock would be an option. I have some NOS stock tubes that I might throw on. I guess we'll see. It definitely works a lot better. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and you'll be seeing more of this bike. We're going to be doing a Born Free trip this year, so we're going to do a whole video for that. And yeah, it's going to be a fun year. We have a lot planned. So that's the XLCH 68 XLCH. Got some more things to do on it, and then it'll be all done. But for now, I love it. I'm stoked on it. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. See you guys in the next video.